Gareth, thank you very much for joining us on the Mac 2020 show. Now, obviously, we're very, very disappointed that we're not walking the aisles of the NEC, engaging with engineers. Now, a lot of people, engineers, will know Hexagon production software for some of your software like EdgeCam, Visi, Radan. But tell us exactly what you was going to be promoting at Mac 2020.
Okay, yeah, so for Mac 2020, we were having two stands, one with Hexagon production software with all the usual brands, the machining, mold and die, sheet metal, MRP, MES solutions. Again, as you mentioned, some of the names: EdgeCam, WorkNC, Visi, Radan, WorkPlan, WorkExplore, Javelin, and Passes. So that was on the main stand, and then for this year we were having a separate stand. First time at Mac, people would have been able to experience our G-code verification and simulation software, NC Simul. This is a new solution for us that we're promoting in the UK now. With this solution, we build an exact digital virtual copy of your machine, which we call a digital twin, which replicates exactly the behavior of your machine.
Now, you've got a vast array of different software applications to help many, many different sectors, as we know from some of those solutions and brands that you've just mentioned, Gareth. But what types of challenges in the manufacturing sector does some of these products actually address?
Again, with the technology that the machine tool builders are now coming up with, today's machines are becoming more and more complex with many axes. Parts are becoming more and more expensive. The material costs are being more and more expensive. So again, the customers need to make sure that they're making the parts right first time and minimizing scrap. And this is where our solutions can help.
Now, you've mentioned NC Simul. Now, I remember seeing this company, I think it was at AMB a couple of years ago, and I was quite taken with their stand because from what they actually offer, because I think they're based, they were originally based in France, but they were the only other type of software that I could see for verification and simulation software. But that's part of the portfolio now, is it?
Yes, this was a product that we were actually missing from our product portfolio. So, approximately 18 months ago, Hexagon acquired NC Simul, and now they are part of the offering we can offer to customers.
And when you look at the types of manufacturers that are actually using NC Simul, who are they typically?
Again, typically they could be in aerospace, they could be medical, oil and gas. But again, most customers can benefit from NC Simul.
And when you look at the uniqueness of their software, how does it compare into the marketplace, Gareth?
The simulation is very fast, processing data more rapidly than other systems on the current market. It gives you full clarity of view from start to finish. When you move the part, there's no refresh time and no having to refresh the pixels. So really good quick simulation. Because we build a true digital twin of your machine, we fully validate all the macros and subroutines that are actually on your machine's controller. So then giving you a full, true simulation, virtual simulation. We have a 3-step process. So NC Simul is very easy to use. The learning curve for NC Simul is very short, usually 2 days training. Then the customer is up and running and beginning to see some return on their investment. When manufacturers order a new machine, typically they have to wait for the machine to arrive, then it has to be commissioned, and then they start programming it. With NC Simul, you can build a digital twin. This can then allow the customer then to start working on their machine. So when the machine's commissioned, they've had the training, they can load the program straight in, and then they can start getting a return on their investment.
Gareth, obviously engineers are very busy. They like to get their hands on new options. But could you tell us exactly what Hexagon production software is actually offering to show NC Simul?
Yes, Mark. Well, they can log on to the website. It's got its own website, www.ncsimul.com. They can find out a lot more information about it. You can also contact the local area sales guy, who will be more than happy to discuss it with them and arrange a demo. Also on the website, there is a link. Anybody's interested, they can click on the link and they can request a 30-day free trial of NC Simul. And we're also offering, if somebody would like to purchase it, we offer the traditional perpetual license. And now we've started to introduce subscription model. Again, this is a great for a customer with cash holding onto their cash flow, so they don't have to do the initial investment at the beginning.
Oh, that's great, Gareth. I mean, it's especially in the way the market it is at the moment. It sounds like Hexagon production software is very much open for business. You're supporting your customers. You're looking to attract new business as well. And I understand that NC Simul is going to be available around about the 5th of May. So thank you very much for joining us on the Mac 2020 show. We really hope that you guys keep safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much, Gareth.
Yeah, take care, Mike. Thanks very much.